Hi folks, today we're out here with my AR15 and 300 Blackout with the pistol length gas system, and today we're shooting some Nosler 220 grain boat tail hollow points with 12 grains of Reloader 7 behind it. So I'm going to go ahead and get you out on range and let's see how these things do. Okay, you can see our grouping was, it wasn't the best grouping in the world, but it wasn't horrendous. It would definitely take down a deer or whatever at 100 yards. These things really have a big smack down at that end. They got a lot harder hitting than those 208s. I mean, out of this gun, man, when they hit that target, boy, you can really hear it. So I still think we're going a little bit super on these. I might have to lower the grainage a little bit. It says in, on the stuff I read or the data I used, it said 12 grains. I think they can go a little bit less. I think they're just barely breaking the sound barrier on this. So, well, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. And there'll be plenty more on this kind of stuff coming up. So stay tuned.